Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to import videos into Krita for animation or rotoscoping. First, you need FFmpeg installed and properly set up. Krita requires FFmpeg to import video files like MP4, and users confirm that without it, you'll get format errors. So make sure FFmpeg is installed and accessible to Krita before continuing. To start, open Krita. Go to File, then click Import Video Animation. When the import window appears, click the folder icon and select your video file. Adjust the import settings to your liking like the FPS, skip interval, clip start, and duration. And once everything is set, proceed by clicking OK. Krita will automatically convert the video into individual frames and place them into your timeline as keyframes, in which you can edit and customize. And that's how you import videos into Krita. Thanks for watching.